Specifically, we are launching 4 out of 7 thematic tours today. Coastal Journey in the South, Adventure Tour, Highland Island, and the River Journeys, Southern Pilgrimage, and the South Countryside Tour. These will be entrusted to legitimate tours operators, confident they are in the very able hands of very capable people. It is likewise my pleasure to reveal today that the provincial government, through the Provincial Tourism Office, has started a virtual mapping of the tourism sites of our municipalities and cities and have piloted this in 5 towns. This virtual map offers a fully immersive 360 degrees view of what each municipality has to offer. Take the municipality of Zamboan, for example, home to the breathtaking waterfalls such as Aguinod Falls, Dao Falls, and Binalayan Hidden Falls. Through this interactive experience, visitors can explore these natural attractions from the comfort of their homes, making it easier to discover plans and get inspired for their next adventure. Now, live are the municipalities of Zamboan, Hinatilan, Alegria, Tuburan, and Aluginsan, marking the first phase of this digital project. We are launching this today and intend to do so in 25 more towns and cities.